Hey guys, are you ready for a savory and sweet snack recipe? Today, we're gonna make them in one go. Let's start with the savory batch. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Optionally, you can add a pinch of salt as well. Cover the bowl with a plate or plastic wrap and give it a good shake or stir. The goal is to coat every gnocchi piece evenly. Bring them into the air fryer basket. Give it a gentle shake to spread them out into a single layer. Basically, have them not too crowded. Slide the basket in and set the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. At the halfway mark, around 7 minutes, open it up and give everything a stir so it crisps up evenly. While it's cooking, let's make a quick dipping sauce. Start with 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then, press 1 clove of garlic through a garlic press right into the butter. And finally, chop a few sprigs of parsley. Think of it as the sparkle on top. Not totally necessary, but it just makes everything look and taste better. And finish with a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little extra warmth. Stir everything together. Easy, fragrant, and ready for dipping. Meanwhile, our first batch is ready, and look at that golden color. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Exactly what we want. Toss them gently in a bowl with the garlic butter sauce you just made. Give it a little shake or stir, just enough to coat. And there you have it. And if you're craving a smoky, salty upgrade, let's add some chopped cooked bacon and sprinkle it on top. This savory recipe is perfect for snacking, movie night, or serving up at your next get-together. Now let's make something totally different. In your second batch, add about 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Add 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon and mix gently using 2 spatulas or big spoons that go easy. You're tossing gnocchi, not flipping tires at the gym. Keep it soft and sweet. Transfer this batch to the air fryer basket and shake them as before to spread them out evenly. Set the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 15 minutes, just like the savory batch. And look at them. Golden, crispy, and basically it's snack version of edible gold. Dust them over with powdered sugar or caster sugar and give them that sweet little glow up. Think of it like snow in a holiday movie. Only this time, it actually tastes good. Let's add a bit of Nutella and give it a try. It's gooey, sweet, and completely worth it. So, which one would you vote for? Sweet or savory? Would you add something else? Let us know in the comments. Let's see who the real winner is. Don't forget to like this video if you're hungry now. Subscribe for more cozy air fryer recipes, and we'll see you in the next one.